My name's Oliver Selby. I'm Business Development Manager here at FANUC UK. The FANUC Open House event is a fantastic opportunity to visit us, but also many of our partners who provide a huge range of different products and services that will benefit you as our customer. It gives you, as the user, the ability to engage with a wide range of vendors who offer many different products and services. The major benefit of this ecosystem that we're pulling together is the ability to actually collaborate across many different partners and get the best that they all have to offer. We're very proud to have Intouch as one of our suppliers. They've been offering solutions for production monitoring alongside FANUC products for many years. Many of our customers already benefit from the services and the software that they offer. Going forward with Industry 4, we see that Intouch are going to be a key player in the market. And alongside many of our other partners, Intouch will be one that we pull on and ensure that their expertise are pushed out for years to come.